Ready for the dictation? Legal passage at the speed of 100 WPM. Start. Both these appeals arise out of the common judgment. Stop. Appellants are convicted under Section 2 within bracket C within bracket small I read with Section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act. Stop. Khushi Ram, appellant in criminal application number 133/80 is sentenced to 6 months simple imprisonment and a fine of rupees 1000 in default of payment of fine to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 months. Stop. Bansi Dhar, one of the appellant in criminal application number 186/80, is sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for 4 months and to pay a fine of rupees 500 in default of payment of fine to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 month. Stop. Prabhu Dayal Patwari, another appellant in criminal application number 186/80, is sentenced to pay a fine of rupees 500 in default of payment of fine to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 month. Stop. Khushi Ram is an author of the article which is published in a weekly newspaper Guru Bhumi, making scandalizing remarks about the courts at Gurgaon. Stop. Bansi Dhar was the proprietor and editor of the paper, and Prabhu Dayal Patwari is the owner of the printing press. Stop. The High Court took notice of the article and issued a show cause notice, and after hearing the contemners, held that all the three of them had committed an act of criminal contempt and accordingly convicted them. Stop. Bansi Dhar, however, tendered an apology and he was sentenced to a lesser period. Stop. The High Court further held that Prabhu Dayal Patwari, who was the owner of the printing press, did not have a direct dealing in the publication of the article, and in that view of the matter, he is only sentenced to pay a fine. Stop. We have perused the judgment of the High Court. Stop. As rightly observed by the High Court, the article contained scandalizing remarks about the courts, which is highly objectionable, and such articles are calculated to bring the judiciary into ridicule with a view to shake the confidence of the people. Stop. The learned counsel for the appellants, particularly Khushiram and Bansidhar, submitted that they are aged above 80 years and both of them are in jail for some time. Stop. Khushiram was in jail for about a month. Stop. Bansidhar, who tendered an apology, was also in jail for a fortnight. Stop. Having regard to special circumstances, we, while dismissing these appeals, reduce the sentence of simple imprisonment of Khushi Ram and Bansidhar to the period already undergone. Stop. The sentence of fine with default clause of the three appellants are confirmed. Stop. सो ये हमारी 100 WPM की स्पीड थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस ऑन डेली बेसिस.